back to my channel, and if you're new here, also welcome to my channel. So I'm going to do the blue makeup today because if you follow me on Instagram, I have made a poll out there asking for your suggestions whether I should do a red makeup or a blue makeup, and maximum of you have voted for blue makeup, so I'm going to do that. So without talking too much, let's get started. So I'm starting my makeup by cleaning my face. I'm taking Dabur Gulabari Rose Water, which is suitable for all types of skin. Now I'm taking my Wet n Wild concealer and starting applying it on my eyelids because I'm going to do my eye makeup at the first, because I will use many dark colors for my eye look, so I don't want it to go here and there on my face and make my look messed up. Now taking a wet sponge, I am blending it out. I'm taking Miss Claire Shape My Face palette, and from there I'm taking the highlighting powder to set the concealer. So after applying powder to both of my eyes, I am taking Beauty People Blowout palette, and it's a very versatile palette. It has a lot of colors, and from there I am taking the brown color to start from my outer crease line, and this will going to help in transition. So I have started applying it from the outer crease line, and I'm dragging it till the mid of my eyelids, and I am blending it very well as I do not want any harsh line. Every time I'm moving the brush, I make sure that I'm dragging the color a bit lower so that I have the transition, and it also gets blended out very well with the dark blue color I'm going to use later. If you're a beginner, it will definitely going to take a lot of time and patience to have the smoky eye. Now I'm taking this dark blue color from the same palette and applying it on the eyelids. I'm using my fingertips to apply the eyeshadow, and now I'm taking the same brush to blend it out. Now I'm again taking some blue eyeshadow and applying on the same area as I want it very dark and bold, and taking the same brush I am again blending it out. Now taking a small thinner brush, I am taking the same blue color and applying it on the lids close to my eyelashes. Now I'm taking some more blue color for my lower lash line. After that, I'm taking Miss Claire black eyeshadow, and I'm taking it in a very little quantity on a flat brush and applying only in the corners of my eyelids. And again I'm blending it out with the same brush. Now for liner, I'm taking Lakme Insta Liner, and I'm drawing a very thin line till my eye length. Now I'm taking Wet n Wild white kohl and applying it in the lower lash line. It will make the eyes look more defined and bigger than it is. Next I'm taking Lakme black kajal to apply on my upper waterline, and I'm also adding some of that on my lower lash line. One of my eyes is done, you can see. From the same palette, I'm taking a white silver kind of color to apply in the inner corners of my eyes. Then I'm taking Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara to apply on my lashes. So my eye look is done. Now I'm taking this tissue and wiping off all the fallouts having on my face. Now for primer, I'm taking Stay Quirky First Base Oil Primer, and this is my all-time favorite. So I'm taking some drops on my face and massaging it very well. It helps in hiding the pores and also makes my base very smooth for my foundation after that. So for foundation, I'm taking Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 128 and I'm applying it, dotting on my face. Always remember, whenever you're applying foundation or a CC or a BB cream, always apply it on your face along with your neck, because you do not want different shades on your face and neck. Now I'm blending it with the same wet sponge. After that, I'm taking Wet n Wild concealer and applying it on the places where I'm having dark circles and the hyper points of my face. And in case you are curious about my nail polish, I would say it is my Bella Voste nail polish and the shade will be mentioned in the description box. Please check it out. So I'm using the same sponge to blend out my concealer. Now from this Miss Claire palette, I am taking the highlighting powder and applying it on the places where I have applied the concealer before, and it's also going to help to set my face. For contouring, I am taking NYBay contouring stick and applying it on the places where I need to contour, like hollows of my cheek, jawline, chin area, nose, and on my upper lip or lower lip lines to define my lips, and also on my forehead, and then blending out. It's a very creamy product and with a nice pigmentation, so it will take literally no time to blend out. So it's a nice product, you can definitely try it out. After applying cream contour, I am taking Miss Claire palette, and from there I am taking the contouring powder to set the places where I have applied the cream contour. After contouring, I am again taking some highlighting powder to apply on the places where I need to highlight. For eyebrows, I'm taking Maybelline eyebrow pencil, and this is the first time I'm using an eyebrow pencil and I'm totally in love with this. I have taken their dark brown shade and they may have other shades. You can find it out by clicking on the links down in the description box. And after doing the eyebrow, I felt my contouring is a bit lesser, so I have applied it again. Now from the Miss Claire palette, I am applying the blush with a very light hand. For highlighter, I am taking my all-time favorite Lakme Face Sheer in the shade Sun Kissed, and you will have another shade in this. Finally, for my lips, I am taking two lipsticks today. So this is my Beauty People lipstick in a very nice pink color. And another lipstick is Faces Canada All-Time Pro HD lipstick, and all the shades will be mentioned in the description box. So I'm applying it on the top of my pink shade. Then I'm using a tissue paper to rub off the excess product, and after that I'm applying the same Biotique lip balm to give it a glossy finish. You can see my complete makeup look. Now I'm going to show you my final look after dressing up. So I'm done with my blue makeup. You can see this is my final look. Hope you have liked it. So please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Meet you in the next video. Bye bye. Love you all.